Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be kind of reviewing and trying out this Too Faced Under the Christmas Tree palette. It's like a Breakaway palette and a mascara, and it's super cute, and it's part of the Too Faced holiday collection for 2018. So I cannot wait to try it out, and let's get started. So basically, this palette, this collection, it opens up like this, like a little door type of thing, and there's 3 separate palettes in here. I'll start with the top palette, so it's the smallest one, and inside is just a bronzer, blush, and a highlighter. The palette is just a light pink velvety material. Then the middle palette in the next layer or tier of the Christmas tree is like the medium sized one, and it has 8 eyeshadows. There's a bunch of like neutrals and kind of like deep colors, and there's like 5 shimmery shades and 3 matte shades. Like you can create like a really nice like smoky eye with this set of eyeshadows. And then the bottom one, and also the biggest palette, has 10 eyeshadows, and it looks like this. There's like 5 shimmers and 5 mattes, and there's some burgundy, purple, and all of the names of the eyeshadows are all Christmassy themed, so it's super cute. This palette is actually magnetic, so it will just stay like this. That's a super adorable thing about Too Faced's packaging, especially around the holidays. Their packaging can you can set it up in your room and make it like room decor because it's just so cute. I know in previous years their packaging has always been super nice and creative and adorable to just kind of prop up. They've done like a Paris theme before, all kinds of cute stuff like that. So I'm going to start out with the medium-sized palette, which has the 8 eyeshadows in it. I'm going to go into the shade Vanilla Snow and apply that all over my lids. Going into the shade Christmas Wish, and I'm going to apply this into my crease. Definitely going to have to try out a couple of these shimmery shades today because they're so pretty. Going into the larger eyeshadow palette, I'm going into the shade Dream Come True, which is a little bit deeper than the shade we just used, and I'm adding this into my crease. Now I'm using the shade Christmas Morning, and I'm adding this into my crease. Now I'm using the shade Pleasant Dreams, which is another matte shade, and I'm just applying this to my outer corners and blending that out. Now I'm adding a little bit of the shade Wishes and Kisses, which is a matte purple shade, and I'm also applying that right over top onto my outer corner. So I'm going to go into the shade Unicorns Pull My Sleigh, which is a pink glitter, and I'm just applying this right to the center of my lids. I did that very lightly just to kind of lay out where I want that shade to be. I'm going back into the shade Christmas Morning here, and I'm just adding this into my crease. I'm really blending that. And then I'm going back into the shade Wishes and Kisses, just adding this to my outer corners again. Now I'm going in with a sponge brush and adding more of that shimmer shade and applying that just to the center of my lids. I'm going into the shimmer shade Oh What Fun, and I'm just adding that to the inner quarter part of my lids. I'm going in with a blending brush and those matte shades that are in my crease and just reapplying them. I'm going to take a break from the eyes and do my face makeup. So today I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. Just applying this to the back of my hand and then blending it out with a beauty blender. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just blending that out with my beauty blender. And now I'm going in with my Mercier Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to apply this and kind of lightly bake under my eyes. So I'm using my beauty blender and just packing this under my eyes to set my concealer. And while that's sitting, I'm going to go into the Too Faced face palette that's in the collection, and I'm going to go into the bronzer. Bronzer's in the shade Winter Glow, and I'm just going to contour with that. I'm contouring my nose with the same shade. And I'm just going to take a brush and dust all of this powder off. So I'm going into the shade Christmas Blush, which is just a blush color. It's a super pretty shade and has a light shimmer to it, so it's really nice. The highlighting shade is in this shade Angel Kisses, and I'm going to apply that. It almost has like a rosy tone to it, this highlighter. I don't know if it picks up that way on camera, but I think in person it has like a rosy tone. And so now that the face is done, I'm going to go back to the eyes. So now I'm just going to apply my matte black liquid liner and create my wing. Now I'm going into the shade Fresh Cut and Frosty, which is this green shimmery shade. And I'm just adding this to my inner corners for a pop of a different color. And for my waterline, I'm using this Tarte black pencil liner, and I'm just going to line my waterline. Now I'm adding the shade Kiss for Santa, which is a dark shade, but it has a little bit of shimmer to it, and I'm just applying this to my lower lash line. Now I'm applying a little bit of the shade Cozy Up to Christmas, which is another shimmer shade, and it's like an orangey reddish tone, and I'm just adding that right here on my lower lash line. Now I'm applying my Ardell Wispies. Now I'm just finishing up with some Too Faced mascara. And actually, one more thing I almost forgot with the eyes, I have to apply my highlight to my brow bone. I'm going into the shade Winter Wonderland, which is a light pink, but it has very like fine glitters in it, and I'm just going to apply this right on my brow bone. For lips, I'm using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Nude Chica. So it looks like this, and I'm just going to apply this. It's a nice neutral color. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I think that this set of palettes would make a really cute gift for someone or just for yourself. But yeah, so I definitely recommend them. I think that the colors in these palettes are super great for Christmas and holidays, and I love how creative Too Faced always gets with their packaging, or if there's not, like, then they have like their products are scented. Like, they always are super inventive with their products. So I really like that. I really like this pop of green in the inner corners. I think it kind of adds something to the look a little bit and changes it up from just like a regular old like pinkish, burgundy-ish eyeshadow look. The shimmers in this collection are super pretty, especially this one right here. I really liked this one. I really like that it comes with a little mascara as well. Too Faced usually does do that with their Christmas collections. They always have them with a mini sample mascara. So you guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with all the products that I used in today's video. And I will leave a link, as always, to this palette. I'm super excited for all the new holiday collections and palettes that different brands come out with, and I will definitely be reviewing and sharing looks with you guys with the palettes that I get. And yeah, so that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!